Welcome to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is all about how to create this very pretty curly updo. It's a really pretty updo that is great for occasions or weddings. Let's get to it. Okay, before you start this look, you need to prep your hair and curl it ready. I've gone for a slightly tighter curl and you will find out why in a tick. First, section off the hair and create a circular section at the top of the head or in the area that you want to work. And then use a donut that coordinates with the hair colour and secure this with Kirby's. Pick up a small section of the donut on the outer edge with the Kirby grip and then push into the section of the ponytail. Then pin the ponytail out of the way and we're going to work on the back section of the hair, pulling any pieces loose that you want to keep out for your client. If you want to no hair on the neck because they get quite warm, then don't put anything out and pin it all up. You smooth out the outer section of the hair that you can see. Do a half twist and then use another Kirby to pin this onto the donut section. This will instantly create some volume and make the hair appear thicker. Rose's hair that we're working on today is quite long. It is quite fine, but she does have an awful lot. Then those sections that are hanging free at the bottom that we've just pinned up from the nape of the neck, we are going to lift that out the weight, keep the ends free with the pretty curls on the ends that we want to keep out, and pin that section in so it's the perfect length for us to have it cascading down. Next, take the pony section that you've pinned out of the way and repeat the same method, layering each curl on top of each other and creating the shape so you have this pretty cascade all down the back. Next, move on to the top of the head, in front of the crown, adding in some back combing, smoothing out the section and pinning it onto the donut. This again will create nice volume and shape, and repeat that section on the sides so each section fits in a little bit like a jigsaw puzzle. Repeat the same thing all the way around till you come to behind the ears. Pin everything into the donut so it makes it more comfortable for your client. And then start to work around the sections that frame the face. So pull any pieces loose that you want to keep out, add in a little bit of back comb in, smooth out, drape into place, and then pin the curls where you want them to stay loose. Any softer sections that need a little bit of help with structure, add in a slight bit of back comb in mixed with hairspray, and then use your hairpins in the bend of the curl to make sure that they are secure and they will hold into place. You want to create the illusion that the hair is cascading, but at the same time it is all secure and not moving anywhere. Continue to work closer and closer to the face, adding in as much volume as you like or as little as you like, but make sure that each section is smoothed over and blended in so it fits into the hairstyle. You can keep this quite textured, but what you don't want is it to look too frizzy. If you struggle creating strong curls like this, then be sure to check out the comments below for our free hair training on how to create long-lasting curls. Your curling technique on a style like this is absolutely crucial to make sure that it lasts and it stays with this pretty cascade. How much do you like this style? Drop me a comment below and let me know if you are liking it so far. And then move on to the last section, which will be just around the face. Once you have manipulated that to where you want it to go, just pin any loose pieces into place and that is your style finished. We're just pulling these little pieces around the face to make sure it's nice and loose, and we're just going to drape the side bit so you can move the part into any place that feels comfortable for your client. But that is our romantic style finished. I hope you've liked it. If you could give us a subscribe and a thumbs up if you found this video useful. Don't forget to click the bell for the next videos to come. We have some new gorgeous hair ups that will help you at home.
My name is Claire of Harry John, and if this is your first time on the channel, and if you are after some more tips and techniques on a huge variety of hair and makeup style, then please hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified for any future videos.